Hello everyone. The sun is coming up. It is a still and quiet time. The town moves slowly and so do the people. When I am here, I feel as if the earth is breathing. It is still the world of animals and plants before the town completely wakes up. I love this moment just before everything becomes busy. My hometown taught me to live in harmony with nature. It taught me to feel gratitude for the blessings of nature and to understand that we are supported by it. I used to think that big cities had everything I wanted and that the countryside had nothing special. But now, my thoughts are completely different. I truly feel that the countryside has everything I need. And sometimes I even think the city has nothing at all. Life in the countryside, in harmony with nature, brings us the blessings of the land and the river. It quietly teaches us how to live and how to care for our lives. I have come to realize how truly wonderful this is. In the city, I didn't feel this way. I was simply trying hard to survive. Everything around me was busy, and I had no mental space. I thought I had to become someone special. I believed being ordinary was not enough. I was struggling for something, even though I didn't know what it was. My hometown brought me back to myself. It taught me that simply welcoming the morning and welcoming the evening in a single day is already enough. The foundation of life is very simple. Back then, I thought this town needed to become more lively and vibrant. But since I began looking at it with fresh eyes, my mind has gradually changed. Now, I love this calm town just as it is. It always gives me peace unconditionally. It doesn't need to become something special through human effort. I only need to enjoy it as it is. In the countryside, it is easy to find places where I can be alone, free from artificial sounds. I have many favorite spots surrounded by nature where I spend quiet time. I never feel lonely there. It feels as if nature is beside me, gently taking care of me. Even when I feel loneliness, it does not bring anxiety or fear. It is a peaceful kind of loneliness. The scent of soil and moss makes me feel as if I am returning to my innocent childhood. I love that unique smell. I often see control blocks along the mountain slopes, now covered with moss. They were built to protect our lives from disasters, but over time, they slowly become part of nature. One day, I realized something. No matter how advanced our technology becomes, we can never fully control nature. We are not above it, we live within it. Someone once said that human beings cannot live without soil. I don't know if I fully understand that yet, but when I garden, I feel deeply comfortable. I find myself wanting to keep touching the soil. Maybe this is what it means. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and stay peaceful.